Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar 4500W portable generator is a powerhouse that combines convenience, efficiency, and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for both home backup and outdoor activities. Its 4,500 starting watts and 3,500 running watts provide ample power for essential appliances, tools, and recreational devices. One of the standout features is its remote start capability, which allows users to start the generator from a distance, eliminating the need to brave the elements in inclement weather. This generator operates with remarkable quietness, producing only 63 dBA at a quarter load, which is quieter than many standard generators. This feature is particularly beneficial for camping trips or neighborhood gatherings where noise levels can be a concern. The CARB compliance ensures that it meets stringent environmental regulations, making it suitable for use in various states without worry. The design of the Pulsar 4500W is thoughtfully executed. It features a lightweight, compact design with a sturdy handle for easy portability. Weighing in at just around 95 pounds, it strikes a balance between being robust enough for heavy-duty jobs while remaining manageable for transport. The parallel capability is another noteworthy aspect, allowing you to connect two generators for increased power output, which is particularly advantageous during larger projects or extended power outages. User-friendliness is evident in the control panel, which is well organized and easy to navigate. It includes a variety of outlets, such as multiple 120V AC outlets, a 12V DC output, and USB ports, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The fuel tank has a generous capacity, providing around 15 hours of runtime at a 50% load, reducing the frequency of refueling and enhancing convenience during use. Overall, the Pulsar 4500W portable generator is an impressive blend of power, quiet operation, and portability, making it an ideal investment for anyone seeking reliable energy solutions, whether at home or on the go. Its thoughtful features cater to a diverse range of users, making it a versatile choice for various power needs.